It's a great sun, a great ledge, and great coconut trees behind me. What? Wait. You got lost. Where you going? Coconut trees are the best. Get lost in the background, and I forgot about the stars of the show. Put that down. Put that down. There's vodka in there. There's rum. I'm just kidding. She's not drinking. Smile. So we finally made it. We're in Tanay. Tanay, and we stopped at Epic Resto, where it's an outdoor restaurant. It's nice here. It's nice and cozy. Hot day, but we're in the shade, so it's feeling good here. So let's take a look around. It's a scenic. We are not quite looking down. We'll go over to the edge later, but it's a beautiful. It's Jay and Norma, guys. And we're sitting at a table. We're gonna get beverages and food. We ordered a bunch of stuff, right? I have no idea. Bulalo and sisig, or it was it inasal? Chicken inasal and bulalo, and probably rice. Rice. Rice is nice. Is that the tea? That's not the tea, right?
No, that's the water.
Okay. That's fine. Casey's with us. You can see her right over. She's right. Where is she? There she is. Say hi, Casey.
Hi.
All right, so we're on the tripod here, and we're very hungry. It's like, is it 3 p.m. yet?
No. Yeah.
I can't see the clock while the camera's on, but we're sitting next to a tree here, and there's bugs bouncing around. It's 3:15. We haven't had breakfast yet. We are starving. I didn't even have my oatmeal.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
She forgot the oatmeal challenge.
I'm planning to. We have to eat the beef. You know, the one that I cooked yesterday.
What does beef have to do with breakfast? Yeah, but no, we didn't just come for lunch. We came to get away from the heat. It's so hot down there in Angono. We're up in the mountains here. It's a little bit cooler. Nice and warm. It's nice and warm, but not too. It's not like 99 degrees out here. So, Casey, what's the current temperature? You don't know? You don't have that feature?
Tanay, 34 degrees.
What is that in Fahrenheit? 34 Celsius. What is 33 Celsius? What is that? What is that in Fahrenheit? You don't know. 33. That's in the 90s. It's about, but it's not that hot. We'll check it later. I can't do it right at the moment. So how soon do you think our food can get here?
Just come up here and have lunch.
Let's take another look around here. Let's check. We are way up high. Check it out. I guess there's a tent right there. So right behind us is a tent. And we're right on the ledge. We're going to step over there. Why don't we go over there right now and check it out and see what's going on. Oh, I can't switch that. It's going to be too hard to switch it. But I'll have to walk out into the sun. There's too much sun. We're under the shade here, but there's a little canopy or something. But that's if I go into the direct sun, it won't be good. It will not be good for me. So, all right, here we are. hour. Looks like Pasig. I'm not sure where that, if it's Pasig or not.
Ibig mo lang kinto. No, nabulos-bulos.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the coconut trees. They're the best.
Yung sandok. Lagay mo
We
na
get the
sandok.
bulalo is right there. It's a beef. It's like a beef stew or something. But three servings of rice there. Got the calamansi right over there. That's Casey. She's all dressed up. She dressed up for the occasion. And then she forgot to smile. There's a pork, kind of a with cucumber slices right there. It's still covered in plastic. And what do we have over there, Norma? Tofu. Tofu? I didn't want that. I don't want no tofu. And then you get the soy sauces right there.
Lagyan mo ng
It does
kalamansi.
look good though.
Huwag ganyan, huwag
I
ganyan.
guess we can try that.
Tasty.
Sure, the bulalo is going to be delish. You get some gravy
Sinira mo na yung...
right there. What is that gravy?
Kuhaan pa natin ng picture.
She's talking to Casey. She's not listening to me. Probably will taste good. And the chicken's not here yet, so we'll cut in with the chicken in a bit. There's Casey. Casey smile. Okay, and there's that chicken in a sour flavor right there with some sliced cubes. This is a great meal. Another look at the bulalo. There's my bulalo right there. And over there, the pork and tofu. We are ready to go, guys. Check it out.